In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to solve continuous growth and decay. So in this problem we have an island population of 20,000 grows by 5% each year. Compounded continuously, how many inhabitants will the island have in 5 years according to the exponential growth function? Round your answer to the nearest integer. So here we'll use an equation. We'll use a of t is equal to ae to the rt power. Each of those are indicated by a letter. A is the initial value, r is the rate, t is the time. So here we're going to find the a, which is the initial value, and then we're going to plug in all the rest of the values. So a of t is going to be the time, which is 5 years, is equal to, now everywhere you see t, you'll be putting in 5. First you need a, which is the initial value, which is here. The starting number of people, which is 20,000. E raised to the rt. R is the rate, which is right here, and you need to change it to a decimal. To change to a decimal, you'll take the number, which is 5, and divide it by 100, and you'll get 0.05. And t, which is time, which is going to be 5 years. Now, you're going to take this equation and plug it into a calculator. You're going to need 20000 for 20,000. Then you'll click on E, raised to, and then you put parentheses, 0.05 times 5. And click enter. And this should be an answer, which is 25,680.508. That is going to be how much? And you want to round your answer to the nearest integer. So we're going to do 25680. But instead of 0, it's going to be 1 because we're rounding. And this is how many people there will be on an island in 5 years. So a of 5 is equal to 25,681. That is how to calculate the continuous growth. Now to solve the continuous decay rate of a function, it's very similar, so we have to change one thing. So it says a radioactive substance has a decay rate of 0.064 per minute. How many grams of a 150 gram sample will remain radioactive after 45 minutes? Round the answer to the nearest tenth of a gram. So we'll use the same formula and plug in the same things. So A of t, which is the time, which is 45 minutes, is equal to A, which is the initial value, and it's going to be 150. E, and then RT. R is the rate, and T is the time. The rate is a decay rate of 0.064. If it says decay rate, that means it's going to be negative. The negative 0.064. And the T is going to be 45 times 45. And you don't have to solve anything on the left-hand side. That is what we're solving for. So we go back to the graphing calculator. and we're going to type in 150e raised to the parentheses, then put negative 0.064 times 45. And then we're going to click enter. You should get 8.42. And it wants to know to the nearest tenth of a gram. So A of 45 is equal to 8.4. That's how to solve the continuous growth and decay rate of a function. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.